In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos to a shared Google Drive link using your phone. So let's make this nice and easy for you. If someone sent you a Google Drive link, you can probably click on it and open it in the Google Drive app. So for me, if I click on the link, it's going to then take me to the Google Drive app and open up the folder where I can go ahead and share what I need to share. If this doesn't happen for you, then what I would do is go to the App Store. So type in the App Store on your iPhone and head over to it. You can do this on Android as well, and then search for Drive. Go ahead and download the Google Drive app. Now, once you've got the Drive app downloaded, any link that you click on, which is Google Drive, you will then open up the Drive app, and here you can see we are in the shareable folder. We can then click the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. You can then click on Upload File, then click Photos and Videos. From here, you can go ahead and select any photo or video you want to upload. Once you've selected them all and you've clicked upload, you'll then get a preview. You can then click upload again in the top right hand corner. And as you can see in a second, the file will be uploaded and everyone in the Google Drive link will be able to see it.